Hey there, Samsung users. Did you know your phone has this super cool hidden feature that can make your life a whole lot easier? Yep, I'm talking about a nifty little button you can enable right on your home screen, giving you quick access to some handy assistant options. Let's dive in and set this up together. First things first, grab your phone and head over to the settings. Once you're in there, scroll down until you find accessibility. It's usually hanging out somewhere near the bottom. Tap on that, and then look for interaction and dexterity. Give that a tap, and voila, you're in the right place. Now what you're looking for is the assistant menu option. Just switch that on, and guess what? You'll see a cute little pop-up button appear on your screen. You can grab it and move it around to wherever you like, top corner, bottom corner, wherever feels comfy for you. So, what can this little button do? Oh, it's got some awesome features. Just tap it and you'll get quick access to your notification bar, which means no more swiping down like a pro. Need to jump to your home screen or recent apps? Boom! It's all right there at your fingertips. Plus, you can control your volume with just a tap. How convenient is that? This feature is particularly great for anyone with dexterity issues, but honestly, it's perfect for anyone looking to make their phone usage a bit easier. Seriously, give it a shot. It's super easy and might just change the way you interact with your device. And if you're into wallpapers, don't forget to check out my Telegram link in the description for some awesome finds. Can't wait to see you all in the next video. Until then, take care and enjoy exploring your Samsung.